Wix Studio Sales and Grids tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use sales and grids in your Wix Studio website. It's gonna be very easy and simple steps. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then you can choose the website you want. I'm gonna choose this one. You can click on it. And then you will be in that website dashboard. This is my website dashboard. Now you can navigate to edit site here. You can click on it. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor. Now, if you want to use grids and cells, you can create a new section first. Click add new section. And as you can see, there is three options here and there is grid layout. So now you can go ahead, click it. And you can have a lot of option here. So you can choose whatever you want here. So I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to drag and drop. And now I have three grids in my section. So basically 1, 2, and 3. So one of these are called cells. So if you click it and it will show that it's cell. So you have three cells in your one section. And now if you want to delete one of these, you can just right click. So let's say I want to delete in the middle one, you can right click and then click delete. And now you can have these two cells with this type of layout. So you can just customize it. Let's say you want to make it like this or like this. It's up to you, you know. And also if you want to add more, you can just click add column and it will add more cell. And you can also add one more if you want. So that is how to add or delete the cell in the sections. Now, if you want to design or modify one of these cells, so let's say you want to modify this cell only in the middle one, you can right click and then select layer and then choose the cell. So if you choose section grid, it will select all of these three, and if you choose cell you will only select the middle one. You can click cell and then you can just go to open inspector here, and now you can modify the cell. There is the design, you can modify it, the layout if you want, and other stuff here, and the animation also. And now let's say you want to select the left one, you can just right click and the left one, then select layer and click cell again, and then now the inspector is attached to the cell. So I think that's it, how to use grids and cells in Wix Studio. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.